First song you're going to learn, your hand will be in C position. So thumb of the right hand on C, pinky number 5 on G, right? One finger for each key. And then you could see that either you could read the first note with number 3 finger, which is here. So you could guess that if you're in C position, that first note that you're seeing here on the bottom line of the 5 lines in the staff, it's called E. So I gave you the name of the note under it. And so you could see E then goes down to D, then goes down to C, and then up to D, and then E, 2, because that white note is a half note, it has 2 beats. And then down to D, the note hanging at the bottom of all the lines, and that's D, 2. And then E, now this time we are skipping to the other line note, that's a skip, to G, 2, and again here that's the same E, stepping down and stepping down to middle C, stepping up to D, E, repeat, another repeat, and we count 2 again, and here we are starting on D, step up and step down and step all the way down to C, 2, 3, 4. And once you get used to reading these notes with all the answers that were given to you down here, these are all the names of these notes you're playing. But once you get used to it, I would recommend that you are actually not focusing on your answers, and that you're actually, blanking them or likening them out so you can't see the answers, and you're forced therefore to be looking at what? At the actual notes, note heads. So you're reading, stepping down, going from line note to space note to line note to space note, up to line note to line note. So let's try it one more time without the answers and see if you could follow me from the beginning. And I'll highlight as we are going along. Okay, here's my highlighter in yellow. Here we go. E, stepping down, stepping down, stepping up, back up. We repeat and repeat. 2, and then we go down to the one next door, which is D, repeat, repeat, 2, and next door a line note, then we skip to the next line note, that's G, and repeat that G, 2, and then here we start on that, skipping down from that G, so it's E again, and we step down to space note, step down to middle C with that weird little line, and step up to E, and repeat that E, and repeat that E, 2, and down to the D, repeat the D, and up, and stepping down, and all the way down, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you would be starting to read notes instead of focusing on just playing the song and relying on seeing all of these answers down here, right?